that we have these persons who are carrying the title Justice of the Peace and are not serving. I would not sanction or agree to paying a stipend. If you want to pay a stipend for specific services, you know, fine. And, you know, they could look into that. You want to say those who serve as lay magistrates or those who serve in some specific area that you can easily account for them, fine. But on a broad scale to say give JPs a stipend, no, I wouldn't.
And lastly, you said that it's not a criminal offense in terms of when they charge, but it's also still wrong. Do you think that it's time for there to be amendments to the JP Act in terms of legislation to have sanctions?
I would say tough sanctions, yes, because there are many reports, not just in Manchester, but I've heard of many reports in other parishes where JPs are charging for their services. They are maybe become emboldened because of something. I don't know what it is, or they think that the teeth is not sharp enough. That's after them. I don't know, but persons see it fit and they want to take the chance to charge, regardless of the warning they get from the ministry, because our minister has warned our Justice of the Peace several times, and they have been warned also during their training exercises. Do not charge, it is wrong. But yet some of them still do it, right? And they do it in some public spaces. The challenge that I have when it's not a criminal offense, it's difficult to get the police involved, because it's not a criminal offense, so it's a challenge for them to get involved. Whereas if it were a criminal offense, they would readily set up their operations and catch people and take the necessary actions. So yes, some tougher sanctions could be brought against persons who charge. It's really bringing the office into disrepute, and we need to put a stop to it. It is not right.